8 signs you'll never be rich in your lifetime. Harsh truths. The internet is full of knowledge on how to get rich, but so many people throughout the world struggle with money and finances. Contrary to common belief, everyone has the same chance to get riches, argues self-made billionaire Steve Siebold. But is prosperity in your future? To assist you in determining this, we've compiled a list of 8 red flags to look out for. While no one wants to forecast the future, the following decisions are unlikely to speed your journey to wealth. You may argue, well, I don't want to be rich, but you certainly don't want to be poor. 1. You are too concerned with what others think of you. Never let someone teach you how to operate your business if they have never done it before. That'll ensure that you never get wealthy. They are not the ones from whom you ought to seek approval and seek guidance. They will not help you advance to the next level. 2. You do not devote enough time to learning. Analyze your online history and divide all of the YouTube videos you've seen into 2 categories: entertainment and education. If you spend more than half your time on entertainment, you're not serious about becoming wealthy. While the rest of the world is fascinated with entertainment, you must be obsessed with business and entrepreneurial secrets. 3. You place too much focus on saving and not enough on earning. The concept of placing all your money in savings will not increase your wealth, despite the fact that saving is an essential component of financial success. Gaining riches depends on focusing your efforts on increasing your income. The emphasis should always be on bringing in more green on the path to wealth. 4. You don't like rich people. It's simple. Why would you become something you don't love? You think rich individuals are special? Rich people got where they are by thinking about and acting on their potential. They are not a rare breed of person. If you don't like affluent people and instead feel bitter, angry, or jealous toward them, you'll never be genuinely wealthy. Rich people appreciate rich people. In reality, they desire to be surrounded by wealthy individuals in order to learn, imitate, and improve their financial literacy. If you have a bad attitude toward successful individuals, it's time to fix it once and for all. Instead than becoming envious, find opportunities to interact with and learn from them. 5. You merely work hard, not smart. You have to work hard to achieve is a saying that we frequently hear. This may be the case, but only if you're also working smartly will your efforts pay off. Increase efficiency and make the most of your time. You have the option of exhausting yourself by going through the motions, putting in long hours, and taking on too much work. Going through the motions and taking on an excessive amount of work, however, frequently won't help you achieve your goal. You must take your time, think through all of your options and potential results, and choose the best course of action for yourself. 6. You think rich people are special. Rich individuals are not special. I've met a lot of millionaires, and the more I meet them, the more I understand they're just like the rest of us. The only difference is that they've improved their money mindset and discovered abilities that can be commercialized. Rich people commercialize their abilities, learn, and surround themselves with other wealthy individuals. That is why mastermind seminars and events may assist you in meeting and learning from wealthy individuals. Stop placing rich people on a pedestal and understand that you too can be if you start changing what needs to be changed in your life. 7. People are really good at making you feel guilty. Other people, whether your spouse or your parents, have an impact on how you feel about the decisions you make in your life. You allowed others to persuade you that you should feel guilty for doing anything out of the ordinary. 8. You're a master at making excuses. You have an explanation for everything that happens in your life. You are hesitant to do the hard work. That's good, since money isn't drawn to excuses. Anyone willing to put in the effort may achieve wealth. Begin following these tips in your everyday financial decisions and you will become wealthy. Thanks for watching.